Welcome, little listeners. Today, we are hearing a magical story called Inaaya and the Cloud Painting Bird, a gentle tale about kindness, helping others, and the colors we bring into the world. Inaaya loved watching clouds, but one morning, she saw something magical. A tiny blue bird painting colors across the sky with its glowing tail. Wow! Who are you? She whispered. The bird fluttered down and said, I'm Nero. I paint the morning sky, but today my color feather is lost. Inaya smiled softly. I'll help you find it. They searched the garden and found a shining feather stuck on a flower. Nero regained its colors and painted the sky beautifully. Inaya laughed, feeling like she helped color the whole world. Thank you for listening to Inaya and the Cloud Painting Bird. Remember, even a small act of kindness can help color someone's whole world. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more magical tales.